Kodi sahi. Ana hiyo mkoro ndio huyo anaenda. Ati. Andi. Lingine imeharibika.
Yadao kama si nyingine.
How are you, my friend?
I mean, I'm not fine.
Why?
Because somebody beaten my mother.
Because somebody beaten your mother? Because of what?
I don't know. But I'm going there right now.
Oh my God. You know the person who beat your mother?
My brothers, my wife's brother.
See here. See the camera. Who and who?
My brothers.
And who? Your brothers?
Not my
Your brothers?
Not my brothers. My brother's wife.
Your brother's wife. They came from far from nowhere and then came to beat your...
They are almost there, beyond the family.
Oh, and now what is your next step on that situation?
My next step, I'm going to the police station.
To do what?
To sign the statement.
Are you the one who was beaten?
I was not the one, but I am feeling the pain.
Oh, because of your mother. Yeah, I know. Oh, sorry guys. I have here a young man. He told me that someone came from far nowhere and then came to beat his mother. So guys, stay tuned, keep locked, subscribe to my channel, share, like. I will bring you amazing content here, guys.
Yes.
Yeah, so
I'm hungry because I was...
So what were you saying, man?
I was saying...
Yeah.
My mom came to my home early in the morning, almost 5:30 in the morning.
Your mom?
My mom. And tell me he was beaten up by my brothers, my brother's wives. Two of them. They chased my mom and beaten them away.
Oh, sorry.
And I take to my mom to chief there, and we have been assigned to go to the police station.
Your mom, they have already OB?
Yes, my mom have already OB.
Yeah.
Yes, but I am going there right now to go and check up what, because I was in job. I'm going there right now and check what mom was being given.
Okay guys, to make the story short, okay, it's like someone came to the family of this young boy here and beaten her mom, and now he is telling me as like he wants to go to police station and then to take some OB. So I know something happened and something can happen. Yeah, it's a real story, guys. Yeah, but let us leave that one. Yeah, so let me show the nature. Yeah, this is the view. So this is what they call what is the name of this one?
This is called coffee.
Coffee, yeah.
In English.
Yeah. This is coffee.
Where we are going to have
This is coffee, guys. Yeah. Coffee.
This is the man who
Poa.
Wewe jamaa ndiye
Ko poa?
Kawaida. Tuko safi.
Kabisa. Unaelekea aje?
Nataka
wewe
tu hapa.
nataka unisikie hiyo avocado ikue nini ile katika huko.
Huko juu.
Huko. Nitakwambia.
Utaniambia tupange.
Sio nipe kile iko.
Lego ni hii kitu hapa. Nagoya tupange hiyo ndio tunapanga. Ndio gari ya haiko ndio.
Oh, wow. Ungefanya nini?
Ati ningefanya nini?
So we are live.
Hiyo si bwana. Azia simu yangu nimeacha pale.
Umeacha wapi simu?
Pale kwa ngode yangu.
So unaenda kuchukua huko?
Hiyo langu hapo nienda nikipita kwa mtapu moja.
Mimi sina do. Yeah, mimi sina money.
You have the money, right? Sasa wanamdunia kwa port.
Wallahi.
Sile. Kamata mtu hale.
Vlog from this side. Yeah. We are heading to that small hills. Cheki vile inachukua. Cheki vile inapik. Came from there. Now we are heading to this side. Yes guys, we are going to the next town. This is a small town here, and now we are going to the big one. Yeah. Ilifanyaje? And I have Hoi here, my friend. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? My friend, are you afraid of the camera? Are you afraid of the camera? Be a man. Be a man. You don't have to shy like a girl dem, you know. You don't have to shy, man. Say hi to my people. Or what do you say? So guys, this is one of my best friend, but he is afraid of the camera. I don't know why. And yet you see the way he's seeing me. Wow guys. So we are heading to the next town there. Tupite hivi tuende tuteremkie pale tuanguke Kangundo town hivi. Nichukue vida. So guys, we will not go direct with this road, but we have to cut shortcut. We have to use this one, so that I'm gonna show you something here. You know, when we cut the shortcut, there is a big things. So tell a friend to tell a friend. Like my video, subscribe, share, and I will appreciate so much, guys. Mambo. Imoko fiti. Hey. Oh my goodness. I was about to take a kideritu huko nyuma. But now that's it. That's it. Tafuta nini? Scratch. Yezi kosa hapo kwa barabara. Yezi kosa. So guys, this is the viewment of this place. Yeah. This is where we are coming from. And we are heading on this side. Yeah. As you can see, this place is a how we call it, mlima. Same kuna mlima. Yeah. It's sliding, guys. It means that there is a lot of hills here, and some big hills. I mean, no mountain here, can't lie, but hills. Yeah. And a big stone. Yes. This is where we are coming from, and we are heading on this side, and we are not yet reached the diversion, but we are almost. So you will enjoy the viewment of this place. The place is green everywhere, every corner. Yeah, the place is so green, as you can see. So we have not yet reached. We are continuing walking. This is a shortcut to the Kangundo town. You know, it's good to use a shortcut whereby you don't have to disturb with the motorcycles, with the motorbike, and some peoples that behave like animals. So this is a peaceful road, as you can see. No noisy. It's nature. The sounds that you are hearing is the animals, birds. So it's good to walk where peace it is. And here my friend, now he is not afraid of the camera. You see, now he is smiling. Say hi to my people, young man. What is your name? Hello. Why can't you talk to me? Eh? Why can't you talk to me? So guys, I will understand the situation, because he is wondering what I'm doing now. Because the area I am right now, there is no one here. He is a content creator. on YouTube. But on TikTok, many of this area, they have the account on YouTube, no, not YouTube, TikTok and other platform. But YouTube, there is no one here. I'm the first person here to be on YouTube and to create a content and to show you guys the nature of the place, the green, how Africa we are, and that is it. Yes guys, and now umeona kiberiti? So guys, we were there, and you see some hills over there, you see. Yeah, this place is full of hills. Is full of hills, guys, and that's why the road is like sliding all over from top to the down there. Yeah. Wow, this is the flower, man. They have already climbed the tree. Oh my God. Oh my God. Wow. Wow. Are full of green. Wow. I like the way this place it is. I like the place. Guys. What? I like the place, guys. What? We are tired now. We will use this one. This is my boy. They show me the shortcut of this area. You know, I'm new here. Yeah. Yes, guys. Bro, Kangundo bana, Kangundo ni green. Hata kukiwa kumewaka jua. Man. Shida yao watu wanavaanga. Wanavaanga Jubilee, wana kichwa ngumu. Ona sasa kama huyu. Askini kimwongelesha. What are you doing, young man here? I'm talking with you and yet you are not responding. Are you engineer, man? What is this?
A bomb.
A bomb? So guys, there is another one there, but I will take you on that side. Not today. So now we are going like that one, and other side we were like climbing the mountain, you know, and now we are going down. Yeah. Please guys, subscribe, like, share, comment, tell a friend to tell a friend. And if you are the first person to see my video, please don't leave without subscribing. Don't leave without subscribing, guys. Give me a support, and it will mean a lot, a lot, a lot. Yes, guys. This is a village life. See the village life. This is Africa, home of Greenland. This is home of a Greenland, guys. Yeah. Mangoes. We have a lot of mangoes here. Not we have, but they have a lot of mangoes here. See, that is the tree. So guys, this is the top of, this is the street, one of the street.